It's really good that you're able to do a shot like this with him revealing that he too is infected. It's like a fungal virus, right? So it's reminding me of The Last of Us. Okay, I'm not sure if that was your inspiration.
I haven't watched The Last of Us.
Oh, okay. So it is just like a fungal virus then. For my suggestions, I think you could afford to divide this panel. So for example, let's say the big reveal is around here, okay? You could then do something like this. Let's do the pose. Okay, there we go. Let's get this right. Okay, all right. You can afford to do the pose like around here. And as mentioned previously, I think with how you did it here, you were not able to leave enough room for reaction. Okay, so he reveals that he's infected. But what comes after that? The prompt did say that your MC should scream in agony, right? But right now we only have the scream listed around here, right? So if you're able to allot some space in the second panel to showcase your character's reaction, it can be something as simple as this. Okay, there we go. You can make it comedic if you want, right? There we go. All right, you can draw them like being afraid. And again, for example, here you could add focus lines as well, just like that. Okay, there we go. With that being said, you could also afford to divide the panels more evenly. So this huge batch here, right? And I understand why you did it like this, so that you can sell the Dutch angle you did here, which is good, okay? But for this specific panel, you didn't have a lot of room to not only put in the dialogue, but the entire body as well, okay? Something you could do, instead of doing two major batches of panels like this, you could have three, for example, okay? There we go. You can divide this, for example, right there. And then have the third batch be its own thing, just so you have the space, okay? But yeah.
If you've wanted to make manga for years, but still don't have a finished one-shot, your next step is to apply for a free one-on-one manga roadmap call. We'll look at your idea or pages and map out a clear 60 to 90 day plan to finish a 16 to 24 page contest-ready one-shot. We only open a few spots each week, so if you want one, click the link in the description or go to learntodrawmanga.com, apply, and pick a time for your call.